Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of WordPress. Today we are going to learn how can we create a vertical pricing table in our WordPress website. So let's get started. So click on add new plugin from plugins and type Elementor here. Okay. Click on install now. Okay, Elementor installed. Let's click on activate. Okay, now we have to search for SaaSPricing here. Click on install now. Okay, SaaSPricing also installed. Click on activate. Okay, we have installed Elementor and SaaSPricing table. Let's go to pages and click on add new page and named it vertical pricing table and click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so search for vertical pricing table. Okay, drop the pricing table in canvas. Okay, so pricing table, so here it is. Okay, so let's decrease the width of our pricing table. So okay, it looks good. Okay, okay, so today we are going to duplicate this pricing table with this table. So let's get start again. Okay, we need to add some icon. So I think this is a svg icon, so we will use icon from icon library. So let's search for rocket. Okay, we can use also this icon here. Okay, okay, make it a title premium. Let's add description for this pricing table. Okay, so let's put some price for this pricing table. 149, 149. Okay, so we here we can add month, each month. Okay, we need to add review for this pricing table here, so we can add, click on show rating. Okay, so review also enabled. Let's add features and feature title. So let's add feature title here. Okay, and features one by one. Okay, so we don't need icon here, so let's make it none. So okay, we have already added all the feature text here. Okay, it looks good. Okay, so let's go to CTA tab. Okay, so here let's get started. Okay, so we do need also icon for this primary button here, so we can make it none. Let's add a position for this button. Click on top So it's in top now. So our structure of this pricing table are same as this one: icon, table title description, and price, reviews, features. Okay. These are same as this pricing table. So let's go to the style tab. Okay, we are in now style tab. So let's first add a background color for this pricing table. So let's go to advanced tab and click on background and add color for this one. So let's check the background color here. Okay, let's make it blue. Okay, so it's blue now. Let's add icon style. Let's make it, let's add icon color. Okay, so make it okay, I think it's okay. Okay, it's okay. So add some icon space. Okay, okay, we have added icon space. Let's add style for our title here. Okay, what is the size? 18, 18500. Okay, so make it 18 pixel and font width 500. Okay, so okay, is there any gap between this? Okay, let's add color also for this one. So I don't think so we need gap between table title and description. It's okay. And also we don't need to add a particular size for description, so it seems same as this one. Okay, so we're done with our header part. Is there any ribbon? Okay, so let's go to pricing. Okay, put some color. Let's add some color. Okay, there is month, that is period here. So let's make it also white. So now it's wider. So make, so in design it's below the price, so make it below. Okay, there is gap between the price and period. Okay, so okay, so now here we can see some gap between price and period here. So let's make it, let's add gap here. So go to pricing typography and increase its, okay, make it 60. Okay, it's looks good. Okay, it's little bit bolder. Okay, right, so let's make it little bit bolder here, from here, width 500. Okay, so now it looks good. I don't think so. Okay, let's check for the font size. It's 16 pixel here. What is the, okay, let's make it 16. Okay, so make it as it is. Okay, so we are done here. Let's add review style. Okay, go to review and how 250. Okay, let's go to content tab and add review contents. It's 4.5, I think. Okay, it's 4.5, 2.0, 250 here. 250. Okay, so let's go to style tab again, click on review and add unmarked color here. Okay, and also text color from here. Okay, now I think it looks good. Okay, so we need to remove the button icon here. Okay, so put some color on the button here. From style tab, go to CTA and primary button, click on add background color for primary button, make it white. What is the text? Okay, add color for text, make it okay black. Okay, it's not black. Okay, it's black. Okay, buy starter, no, it's get started. Let's go to content part, click on CTA, get started, click on light get. Okay, I think button is okay. let's add let's put some style on features here. Okay, so let's go to style tab and click on features and put some color on. Okay, like coaching by William. Okay, let's check the font size, 18 pixel. So let's make it 18 pixel. I think it's okay. It's 18 pixel, font width 600. 600. Okay, so you're done. Let's add. Okay, there any distance between um features and title? Yeah, obviously. So let's add some, put some distance between this here. Okay, is that too much? I think it's too much. Okay, I don't need what font. 55. Okay, let's make it 55. Okay, title, I think it's okay. That's 40. Make it 40. Okay. Let's add style for features text. Click here and add color. Okay, let's check the font size, 16,400. 16,400. Okay, okay. So okay, we are almost done here. Hello, I think we are almost done for this pricing table. So I think we need add some space here like this one. So let's go to the advanced tab and increase the bottom. So I think it's okay. Okay, make it 30. Okay, I think it's okay now. Okay, it is it's it is more thinner than this one. So let's make, okay, so we can also decrease the our pricing table width. Okay, so now I think it's looks like this one, this pricing table. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.